Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you make a paid Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser and search for Launch Pass into there. And after that, just simply open this link from Launch Pass. Now you will get this option of Connect Discord. Tap to connect Discord and it will open your Discord. You just simply have to log in your Discord and you have to select the server into here. I'm selecting this new server of mine and tap to continue. And after that, you have to authorize the administration for your server into here. Now it will load and analyze your members' data, and after that, you have to select a new business name for your lunch pass. Just simply select that and then you can choose a community. In here, you just simply have to select the criteria or the community. Just simply I'm selecting art, and now you just simply have to tap to this ready for liftoff option, and it will take a short amount of processing time and it will open this page for you. Now you just simply have to enter the offer name into this top box and then enter the offer image, and after that you have to enter the offer URL into this section. You just simply have to do that and add your business name. Then you can enable this toggle for media gallery and customize so many other options in here. Simply do that and you have to create a price for your paid server. It is showing $30 of USD, obviously 30 US dollar per month. You can select annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, bi-weekly and so on. Just simply select that. You can also give free trial period up to 2 months. You can also select that and you can choose a lot more customization, and after doing all this, tap to preview your sign page option. And after that, just simply tap to publish option and your paid Discord server will be created. This way you can very easily create a paid Discord server. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.